Good morning all, I am Bappa Sangui, your joke therapist. Do you want to develop your thyroid gland and improve your blood circulation system? If your answer is yes, then join with us this virtual yoga classes. Now let's do yoga posture for thyroid gland.
Sarvangasana. Bring by laying flat on your back. Place both arms on either side of your shoulder with the palm facing down. Press your arm and back firmly into the floor. Now lift your leg upward while pushing on the shoulder and breathing out. Press your hand into your lower back to extend support to the hip. Make sure to have a strong core by pulling the stomach inside. Keep the leg and body in a straight line with chin touch into your chest. Breathe in and out deeply for 3 counts before lowering your leg back down. Keep your core tight throughout. Stay this position for 1 minute. Now slowly down, 90 degree, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Second is Halasana. Lie down on a mat while keeping your head, leg, palm and elbow firmly to the floor. Raise your leg till they are perpendicular to the floor. Push your leg toward the floor behind your head until they touch the floor. Hold this asana for a minute while breathing deeply. You can add support to your waist by pressing your hand against them while lifting your body with your elbow. Now slowly down. This is very good posture for thyroid gland. Go for Savasana for 1 minute. Number 3, Matsyasana. There have 2 methods. One you can see in the video and the other you can see at end of the video. I will discuss only one method. Sit in a cross-leg position on the floor like Padmasana. Arch your upper body backward while you hold Padmasana. Support your body weight using your elbow. Keep your hand flat against the ground. Hold this asana for as long as you can while breathing evenly. This is number 2 position. Number 4, Ustrasana. Kneel and place your heel facing the ceiling. Your ankles should be touching the ground. Hold your upper body very straight. Now arch backward, moving toward your toe. Make your chest parallel to the floor and your leg. Bend backward while holding your heel with your hand. Stretch your throat and neck while holding the pose for 5 minutes. This is Ustrasana, very good for thyroid gland. Remember, you maintain slowness, awareness and breathing. Go for Savasana for 1 minute. Number 5, Setu Bandhasana. Lie down flat on your back, behind the leg, at the knees slowly. Stretch out your arm now to touch your heel. Rest your arm and head against the ground. Lift the upper body so that the buttock remained off the ground. The top part of your body will now resemble a breech. Stay for 5 minutes while breathing consistently. This is very good posture for thyroid gland. Go for Savasana. Number 6. Bhujangasana. Lie on your stomach and rest your palm on the ground. Now lift your upper body into the snake-like stand. Bend your head completely toward. Stay in the position for a few minutes. This is also a good posture for thyroid gland, and this is very simple posture. Down slowly and go for Savasana. Number 7. Navasana. Place your hand on a mat with palm down on either side of your leg. Lean back while tightening your core. Let your chin be tucked in and your back straight. Lift your feet off the floor by bending your knees. If you can, now extend your leg to point both feet on make a V shape. Bring both leg and arm down slowly. Let the leg hug and let go of the head before you release the pose. 8. Vithilasana Marjaryasana. Bend down on all four with wrist parallel to your shoulder and knees below the hip. Oscillate your weight moving forward and backward and then from one side to another come back to the center. With weight equally distribute, inhale to let your stomach fill with air and then drop toward the ground. Release the pose slowly. Thank you for watching.